There's more to your space than meets the eye. When it comes to airborne contaminants, our air purifier is ready for anything. The premium 3-stage filter is designed to protect your home and health from larger contaminants, microscopic pollutants, and even dangerous fumes. Its powerful motor and fan blades use VortexAir Technology to quickly spread fresh air throughout your space, increasing the rate of filtration and purifying the room in a matter of minutes. Auto mode adjusts fan speeds based on readings from a laser dust sensor. With help from the Core 600S, your space will be every bit as clean as it looks.